I grew up in Sand Springs, Oklahoma. I went to school at Charles Page. That's actually where I started welding. They had a ag class, and that's where I got introduced to welding, and I just fell in love with it. My name is Edan Cole. I am a welder for Pelco Structural in Claremore, Oklahoma. I definitely wanted to be anything in agricultural. I really wanted to help animals and stuff, but got into welding and I kind of fell in love with it, so I stuck with it. We did 4 weeks at NTC and Pryor, and then we had to do a week training here one-on-one, and we're doing current training throughout the year. We got something different going on every day. You can be on an arm one day and a bigger pole the next day. You can be a fitter, you can be a team leader, you can be a QC, which is our weld inspectors, and you can also be a plant manager and anywhere from up there. Good quality welds. Those are really difficult because we are very picky on how all that goes. Keep trying. That's all you can do. Just keep practicing. I enjoy what I do. That's the best part, because not a lot of people could say that they enjoy what they do, but I enjoy doing what I do. The poles that we actually build and we put together is actually for electricity across the United States. Being a single mom, a welder, you can make a lot of money, and it's definitely difficult, but if I can do it, anyone can do it. So, only 5% of welders are female, and I'm one of them.